Hello everyone and welcome to the meditation channel. Let's begin. Close your eyes, get yourself in a comfortable position and just listen to my voice. And taking a moment now to connect with your breath, really just be as present as possible with your breathing and nothing else. In and out, in and out, in and out. And just giving yourself full permission today to let go of any expectations, to just be, allow, invite. And so now let's invite a higher power to connect with you through this meditation. Now this could be your higher self, a spirit guide, or an angel, or anything else that you may feel a strong connection to. It is up to you. And so when you're ready, think about them, call them, invite them. And as you do this, visualize a beautiful purple light shine above you, a soft, inviting, calming purple color form and manifest all around you. And as this energy surrounds you, you feel an immediate shift of energy, an upgrade. And as you connect with it, you also begin to relax just a little more, inviting in even more peace, even more stillness. And this energy begins to swirl around, moving clockwise around you, cleansing and clearing the energy in the space that you're in. Gently and slowly removing any negativity, any toxicity, heightening the frequency in the space that you are in. And as the energy begins to cleanse and clear, you begin to see sparks of light surround you. Like you're floating in the night sky and just surrounded by stars. This energy, this frequency is allowing you to connect to the spiritual world, allowing you to let go of this physical world and connecting to the energies, the beings that are here to support you in this lifetime. And so you find yourself in a different place, no longer in the space that you were in before. You are somewhere else. And each one of these stars and these sparks that are surrounding you are sending you unconditional love. And so take a moment to connect with them. Take a moment to acknowledge them, to feel them, however they may appear to you. They are here to help you, to love you, and to guide you. Allowing yourself to receive their energy, to receive their love, being completely open and receptive to them. And now each one of them will send you a beam of white light, connecting to a part of your body. And as they do this, they begin to heal, shift, reprogram your subconscious mind, your DNA, your energy field. Be aware of what you feel and what you see. Trust your inner vision, trust your intuition. Don't try to force anything, just become the observer. And feeling the energy cleanse you, repair you, restore you. And just allowing yourself to be bathed in this love, in this support, in this healing. All of these energies and frequencies moving through and around you, healing every part of you. Feeling lighter, feeling clearer, feeling restored and repaired. And now they gently retract those lights, allowing you to take a moment to connect with yourself once again and just checking in. Noticing any shifts, any upgrades, how you feel. And it's time now to make a request. Since you are cleansed and cleared, take a moment to connect to your heart and ask yourself what it is that you want or need at this time. And it's okay to ask for it. It's okay to invite it. It's okay to receive it. We now invite our spiritual team to continue the healing process throughout this day, to continue guiding us, assisting us, and sending information and messages to us. We are so grateful. Thank you. And now begin to feel the shift in energy once again, where you're gently feeling a little heavier and slowly returning back to your body. And so I invite you to connect with your breath once more, in and out. In and out. In and out. And gently and slowly beginning to be aware of your body. When it feels right, maybe wiggle your toes and your fingers. Deepening your breath, waking up the body slowly and gently. Take your time to come back, and when it feels right, return and open your eyes.